Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here in the nursery and today's video is going to be all about baby organization, nursery organization. Show you guys how we have our room and closet and home organized for baby boy. I hope you do enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And if you're new here, my name is Angel. I share so many things, lifestyle and home and so much more, so I love to have you part of the family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Just so you guys know, I am currently 36 weeks going on 37, and I'll see if I can show you how baby boy is looking. This is where I'm at right now. So yep, ready to pop any day now. But yeah, and if you wanted to see how we decorated the nursery, because it is decorated now, I did an entire video like step by step. It's super affordable. You guys know I'll be on a budget, so if you want to check that out, don't forget to head over and watch that video after you finish this one. And if you watch the entire video, drop me a comment and let me know, give me the spirit fingers. I love to know this type of stuff. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So we're going to start with the dresser organization and how everything is organized in here. First off, up here is a basket, and I have some baby lotion, sanitizer, baby powder, wipes, some diapers, and a teether. I actually got to take this out and sterilize them. Anyway, I'm going to keep a teether in there. And then in the drawers, so let's start in this drawer. And in this drawer is all diaper stuff. We have more changing liners for the changing pad, and this is the hatch baby, and it includes the scale so you can keep track of baby's weight. I will link as much as I can below if you're interested in what I'm using. These are all newborn diapers. These are going to be daytime diapers, and we're going to use these at night for now. And then here we have all the butt paste and butt creams and, you know, a brush. And then in this one we have wipes. And all of these dividers came from IKEA. And for those, that's where I got those from. And then in this next one is all newborn size clothing. Here you have mittens, and then hats in that one, pants in this one, jumpers in this one. These are onesies. I believe these are short sleeve onesies. These are long sleeve onesies. These are gowns, and these are the swaddlers, like the zipper swaddlers that we'll be using at night. And then we have one set of footsies, because newborns don't really need a lot. So yep, so that's all for that one. So all of that is newborn. And then in this next one, all of this is for 0 to 3 months. And here we have jumpers again. We have pants and socks in this one. I had to combine those. And then this one is all onesies, and these are shirts. And this is another swaddler, like a sleeper swaddler. So all of that is 0 to 3 months. And then coming on over to this drawer. So all of this is like the health and medical drawer. So over here you have our gripe water, you have the saline spray and drops, you have the teething gel back here, and then over here we have electric nail file, we have the nasal aspirator, also the thermometer, and these are passy wipes. They were given to us from a shower gift, and these are just diaper refills for the to-go one, which I may end up moving that, but anyway. And then over here we have our bookie wipes, and then this one we have our baby Motrin and infant Tylenol, and then we have the medical kit here with all the things you may need for babies. So yep, this is the medical and first aid drawer. And then here, these are burp cloths and bibs. We actually have a few more bibs. They're just getting washed. And these are bibs too. These are like disposable bibs, which is kind of cool. And as we get more, I'll add that to that drawer. And in this drawer, we have all our blankets and our crib sheets. So these are crib sheets. All of them have been washed. Blankets. So this is a thick blanket, just one thick blanket. And these are all of thinner blankets. Also, if you guys have any recommendations of things I may be missing or things that worked really good for you and your babies recently, just drop me a comment and let me know. So this is our book storage. I got a basket that I got from Ross, and I put all of his books in there that he has for now, because we actually asked people to give us books instead of a card for our showers, because cards go to waste and books he can read for a while. So they were just more feasible, so that's what we asked, whether used or new. So that's a mixture of the used and new books, both from the shower and from what we bought him as well. So yeah, this is his closet. Very, very, very spacious. Okay, let's start with hanging clothes. So I got these little tags, which are so cute. It says newborn 0 to 3, 3 to 6, and so on. If you want those, I'll link them below. But I got those from Amazon, and so these are all his washed clothes. And so far, hanging over here, I just pretty much got up to like 3 months of clothes. And then up top, I have like 3 to 6. I have 6 to 9. And this one, 9 to 12, and 12 on up, and those and those. So I need to tag those, but that's how they are organized by sizes. And then over here we have some much bigger clothes and a storage bin and all the Pampers that we have stockpiled. And then down here on the floor is just the things that we're going to use, a few of his toys and activity centers. And then we have the docker top and the newborn lounger. And then in these two IKEA calyxes, we have, I'll show you what's in these. Up top, we just have a few shoes. We have a missing shoe we can't find. But, yeah, few shoes, not that many. I just think these are the cutest though. Oh my god, I so love those. Anyway, and then we have 2 baskets in this one. And here, I just have diaper genie refills and accessories. And then down here, or more like hanger pins for the hangers and closet accessories. So, and in the drawers here, so these are all just sample Pampers we've received from different, you know, gift packets and samples and stuff. So I just put all the sample Pampers in there. And then this one is samples and gift registry gifts. We do not plan on using pacifiers. We don't want to use pacifiers. The goal is not to even start on them. But in case we end up needing them, we have those that were free or whatever. But hopefully we're going to cross our fingers and pray that we don't. Those 2 are empty, and then those are empty as well for now. Over here in these prime storage cabinets, I'm going to store toys as well as miscellaneous items. So inside here, I have different bins. These are blue bins since this room is blue. These bins here include like toys for newborns. Up here, all these are newborn toys. And then down here, those are 3-month toys, 6-month toys, and 12-month plus toys. I'll probably come back and label them later, but they are organized by age. I still do gotta come back and of course open them and sterilize them and all of that, but that's how they're organized for now. And then this bin is pretty much just like, those are carriers. This is the shopping cart hammock. And just other miscellaneous things in here. So we have a lot of storage space, so we can keep his room clean. And then up top here is a basket with some teethers in it. And they have to, of course, be washed and sterilized. But yeah, basket for teethers. Okay, so let me show you his diaper caddy. So this is so totally cute. Really do like it. And looking inside it, so all of these are newborn diapers. Here we have wipes, and it's in this white dispenser, which I actually already use because I told you guys I have dogs and I use wipes for their paws to keep their paws clean. That's how I keep my house clean. So I already use these, and I do like this. This is by Ubi, and this is weighted, and I won't open those until he's here, but I do have a pack in there already. And honestly, I love both the water wipes and I love the Honest Company wipes. I have 2 bins of both of those. I really like both, but I think I like the Honest a little bit better because they're not as watery. So anyway, Pampers, wipes, and then this is a changing pad, you know, that you can lay the baby on no matter where you are and change him on that. And then the sides here, I have hand sanitizer, This is lotion. All these were samples, so I'm like gonna use them. So that's a baby lotion. And then this is baby powder. All of that was like in sample sizes, so it's easy to carry. And then on this side over here is more simple things. So these are like boogie wipes and some Aquaphor packs that were in some gift bags. This diaper caddy is pretty useful because it has lots of different sections. So you got some more sides over here, and it's very lightweight. Okay, so for his bathroom, he gets his own private bath. Isn't that interesting? So let's start with under the sink here. So under the sink, pretty much I just have all of my storage bins of wipes. So we got the water wipes, the Honest wipes, and then we have this bin here with all these samples, again, that we got for like registry gifts and stuff. Then we have the big tubs of Dove. These are both body wash and lotion, because I'm a huge fan of Dove. And even if like he can't end up using it, I will use it because I have super sensitive skin. And then we have bath towels here, and these are our washcloths. And these on top here are bamboo cotton, which are super nice, guys. They're super nice. And then there are lots of more under there. So it's a lot of washcloths in there actually. And that's how it's under the sink. It's organized. Okay, so let's move on to his bathtub. So down here we have the pads for bathing him in the tub, the knee pads, the ankle pads, and these actually have holders like for toys and stuff. And on this side as well. It's really cool. I got it from Amazon. I will link it below. And then we have the, water rinser. We got it as a gift. Here we have the Angel Care bathtub, and I'm just using a command hook to hold it up because I'm gonna store it in here. So as we bathe him, we can just hang it back up. And then the last thing in here is the 2 hooks here that I put on the wall with command strips. Again, we can hang his towels or anything else we need to hang for him. But yep, that's how I organized his bathroom. In the kitchen, over on this side, which was my like coffee area, we had to turn it into a coffee and baby area. So on this side you have my coffee and tea stuff, and then over here you have the baby stuff, baby formula, the baby breezer, which is a formula maker. And then above here, I had to turn to a bottle storage area. So this is the bottle storage. I got them organized. I use these plastic bins a lot so that I could see, what was in it. But yeah, these are like 8-ounce bottles. These are my self feeders. These are certain type of bottles. They're the like Advent, oh my goodness, I forgot the name of them. But there are certain type of bottles. I put all of those bottles and their accessories in this bin because I want to keep them together. And then above here are like 4-ounce bottles. All of these are caps for all my Advent bottles, the 4 and 9 ounces. And then up top here, this is a miscellaneous bin. It has some fruit feeders like these. Put a piece of fruit in them and the baby can suck on them. That's my goal. I really don't want to do pacifiers, but if I have to do something, I prefer these. At least something's coming out of them. And then also up here are just more miscellaneous things. These are different nipple sizes for bottles. So that's just the miscellaneous bin. Above there, these are like all of my Advent size 2 nipples. This is my Advent size 1 nipples. And this bin here. And then these are my formula bottle mixers, which like is great for on the go and it's great for nighttime feeding. So we're gonna keep a bottle or a few bottles upstairs with formula, and when you're ready to mix it, you just squeeze the buttons there and it mixes. Let me see if I can pull it down for you. Oh God, I'm not trying to destroy what I did. Anyway, you just squeeze the buttons and the formula releases and it mixes with the water, and then you can put it in your bottle warmer and feed it to baby. And these are all the gadgets for that, keeping that bin there. And these are all of the Dr. Brown's bottles and the accessories. So let's see, bring that for you. So this is a 2-tier bin. Some of these are one, like this is just one full one. It's not separated or divided, but this one is separated. You can see the separation there. So up top we have the caps and nipples and all the accessories, and then the bottles in the back. So those are all the Dr. Brown bottles. So that's my bottle storage for now. Hopefully we can kind of keep it organized. We've done a really good job with our pantry, guys. Our pantry is still organized, so as long as we wash it, we put it back where it goes, it can stay like this. And the only other kitchen storage for baby is up under this cabinet here. I actually had to put like a lot of his other miscellaneous items in this clear bin here. So like this is a travel mug warmer, dishwasher bin, our travel baby Breeza formula mixer. And back there is a microwave sterilizer. So all of that is right up under here together. So still close and easily accessible. But yep, that's baby's organization in the cabinets. And I've got one more area in the kitchen for baby. Okay, so over here on the edge of my kitchen island, we have the baby sterilizer here, the baby drying rack here, so that as we wash dishes, you know, from the sink, we can dry it and sterilize it right here. So over here in my family room, you guys know my family room if you've seen my house tours, I have the pack and play over here as well as a diaper genie. So when we're here in the family room, you'll have a place to be. And then the thing I love about this pack and play is that, you see that? It has a storage container at the bottom, which is amazing because y'all know I love storage. The more storage you have, the cleaner you can keep your house. So I'll be bringing the diaper caddy down here, but I also have a place down here. Right now, I just have like a diaper genie refill and some fitted sheets for the pack and play. I'm gonna add some blankets and burp cloths and, you know, extra things that I will need downstairs because this is down here on the first floor. So this is a great item for organization, and because it serves a few purposes. This is a napper, this is a diaper changer. You have some storage areas down here, and then I have the diaper genie next to it. So it's like an all-in-one stop shop. And then as baby gets bigger, you can pull all of that out. You can pull out the storage compartment and it becomes a full pack and play, which is really cool for toddlers, and you can put them in there. And it vibrates and plays music, and it's just a great all-in-one find. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And also, if you want to see how I decorated the nursery, don't forget to hit there next. If you guys have any more helpful organization tips, just drop me a comment and let me know. Alright guys, until the next video.